In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Widevine DRM in Brave browser. If you're planning to stream content from platforms like Netflix, Spotify, or other services that rely on digital rights management, enabling Widevine is an important step. This built-in module allows your browser to securely decrypt protected media so it can play smoothly without interruptions or errors. In this guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps to activate it in Brave. To begin, open the Brave browser on your computer. Once the browser is fully loaded and you can see your home page or any active tab, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. There, you'll find the main menu icon, represented by 3 horizontal lines. Click on this icon to open the browser menu. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to Brave's main configuration page, where you can adjust different features and controls that affect how the browser behaves. After entering the Settings page, look at the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a list of categories arranged vertically. From this list, click on Extensions. This section manages both built-in features and additional components that help extend browser functionality. Once you're inside the Extensions section, scroll through the available options until you locate Widevine. This is the component responsible for handling protected media playback. It is treated like an extension within Brave because it functions as a content decryption module. When you find Widevine, look to the right side of its entry. You will see a toggle switch next to it. Click the toggle to turn it on. Enabling this option allows Brave to use the Widevine DRM system, which is necessary for playing encrypted video and audio content on supported streaming platforms. After enabling Widevine, the browser requires a restart to apply the changes properly. At the bottom right area of the settings page, you will see a button labeled Relaunch Now. Click this button to restart Brave immediately. The browser will close briefly and then reopen automatically, restoring your open tabs in the process. This restart step is important because it ensures that the Widevine module is fully loaded and integrated into the browser's media system. Without restarting, the changes may not take effect correctly and streaming services may still fail to load protected content. Once the browser relaunches, Widevine DRM will be active and ready to use. At this point, you should be able to access and stream protected content from supported platforms without playback issues. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully enabled Widevine DRM in Brave browser and prepared your browser for secure streaming. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.